and start painting those badges. So Deb took all these cushions apart, steam cleaned them, washed them, repacked them.
Oh, I can't wait. I just can't wait.
It'll be fun.
It is, and it's just going to be nice to have her feeling like home. It's totally different to packing to go on a trip, because when you're packing, you know, I've got to think, okay, I need to remember that my makeup's all in here and blah, 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 blah.
Right.
And then every time you get somewhere, you've got to scrummage through your bags to find everything.
But one thing we have to do is a little bit of rot right here that we have to take care of. Oh, nice little breeze though today.
Beautiful. All right.
The Airstream needed a new air conditioner. Kevin managed to get one delivered to the house in time for us to take it to Georgia so that he and his friend Tom could install it.
We're gonna just check this for damage. Okay, so that never got damaged here.
So we're doing a 3-week shakedown trip. We're going to Georgia to see our children and our friends and test this baby out. He is majestic.
He is a New Zealand Kiko.
Wow.
For our first night in our Airstream, we chose to stay at this gorgeous little farm, Gan Eden Farm. This is part of the Harvest Host program, where members pay an annual fee and get to stay at a number of wineries, breweries and farms throughout the country. You get to stay there for free. All they ask is that you patronise their business.
I want some of the whole grain mustard, please. One of these, and then this one and this one.
These are all these are 8, these are 10, and I've got
Florida, Georgia! It's raining hard.
Yeah, it's pouring down. So we notice there's a leak coming from this seam here, and also from this seam, which looks like the same length. And then under this drawer here, there's a leak right in the corner there.
Oh my days, it's raining even harder. That's the taser side. Holy cow. No, stop. Don't do that. Go fix the leak.
I think I found the problem. Hey, honey. Coffee.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade too.
So good news, bad news. Bad news, we have a leak here that we have to deal with. And the good news is I think we identified as one of those two things. I have to get a ladder and see, but we're going to be changing out the air conditioner later on today. And we'll have a look at this to see what's missing, see what's the root cause. Gotta love troubleshooting.
So we just arrived at our friend's house here in Acworth, and he and Kevin are going to replace the air conditioning unit on the top of Betty May so that we have air conditioning, which would be great. It's so lovely being back in Georgia. I love Georgia.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to grey, we're gonna be okay.
Thinks he's managed to find the leak, and we have our new AC in there. Not running just yet because we're not hooked up to shore power.
Ta-da! We replaced the air conditioner.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay.
This is the top of Georgia Airstream Park. There's our Airstream right there. They have firewood for anyone to use, but it is a group setting. So if you do use the firewood, anybody can come and sit up here.
What are you doing, babe?
This $5 grill from Walmart. Can you believe that?
Hey, guess it's not going to
It's
owe you
literally
anything.
$5.
Yeah, but in fairness, it was $20 full price.
It's disposable. Oh, I see. Just slice like that. Man, how cheap is this? This is like, it says made in China. I think made in China might be too good for this.
Well, the whole idea was we could have something to just throw in the car on those emergency grill needing moments.
There's some extra washers. But, you know, for $5, they better give you some extra parts.
Right? It's an expert grill, it says on it. Look at that.
Boom.
That's gonna make us some smashing dogs.
I'm almost afraid to put charcoal in there.
It'll
To
be
ruin this beauty. I'm gonna ruin this beauty.
It might melt.
Ta-da! Look at that. Ready? If you are camping here in an Airstream, you are allowed to have anyone with what they deem as an SOB come and camp with you. And SOB stands for some other brand.
I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left.
It's one of my favourite places.
Yeah, it's a cool place. We've been here several times, but the best part is the fried pies.
Fried fruit pies, baby.
Ooh. Especially the apple.
No, I like cherry.
And they also have a rhubarb one. But check out this view.
And this is now on Harvest Host. So you can bring your rig here and stay overnight here in the car park. And you know, the hardship is you have to pay for it by buying fried pies. Dang it. It's crazy busy.
Yeah, so we're in line for the fried pies.
I've never seen a line before. It's like Disney.
Oh, it's crazy busy. So how long did you wait in this line?
Oh, you know what? That's a really good question. I think maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes.
Yeah, worth it.
Oh my gosh, wait till I'm tucking into these pies.
So it's like 1 minute wait per pie. No,
2 minutes per pie.
2 minute wait per pie. That's worth it.
So worth it. This is one of my favourite little local vineyards to come to.
Hi.
Can't cover it any better than that for Leonard. The ball was just going up, and I think, did Thomas get his left foot in before his right foot though?
We're on our way back to Florida after our shakedown trip.
Yep.
How do you think that went?
I think it went very well. There was a few nights when we first started that I was having a few doubts because our air conditioning didn't work, and after we got it changed out, it still wasn't working. It wasn't the air conditioner, it was just the wiring. So.
And then the leaks. I had a couple of meltdowns, emotional meltdowns. But now
We got the leaks taken care of.
Yeah.
We got the, remember that night it was like just gushing out.
Pouring down, and then you were trying to go outside. We couldn't open the door got locked, so we got locked in the rig maybe 5 times. Very scary.
So it was a whole plethora of just things that happened, but
Things that went wrong that we weren't expecting.
I think we got it all sorted out now.